We know that we all are going through a very tough time. But even in this lockdown situation, we have tried to celebrate the Earth Day in our own way. Hence, presenting before you a small video from the ex students of Team Chrysalis of Sri Aurobindo Institute of Education who took this initiative sitting at their homes.
ওগো সুন্দর তুমি আসিবে বলিয়া বনপথে পরে ঝরে ওগো সুন্দর তুমি আসিবে বলিয়া বনপথে পরে ঝরে রাঙা শোকের মঞ্জুরে হাসে বনদেবী বেনিতে জড়ায় মালতীর বল্লরী নবকিশোলয় পরে ওগো সুন্দর তুমি আসিবে বলিয়া বনপথে পরে ঝরে কুমুদি কলিকা এসো তো হেলে চাঁদের বিহারে হাসে বুচকিয়া মহুয়ার বনে ভ্রমর ভ্রমরে
Hi guys, myself Dipanjan Kaur, the member of the Violets family. So today I am here to give a short presentation on the auspicious day of the World Earth Day, which is basically celebrated on 22nd of April by almost all the countries all over the world. This World Earth Day is celebrated on the honor of the planet Earth and its natural resources and its environment. This World Earth Day is basically aimed to conserve the natural resources of the earth, which is very much limited, the protecting its environment. So on this day, we all can take part in the environment protecting measures like planting more and more trees, then sharing a car or a cab, using public transport. Then nowadays we all know that environmental degradation has become a huge threat to the earth. So which is basically a huge threat to the sustainability of the earth. On this occasion of the Earth Day, the most serious or the most related issues are such as global warming, the ozone layer depression, the acid rain. In school, colleges, the teachers and the students both should spread awareness campaigns for the protective measures of the earth. They should take part in the educational awarenesses. Then we can also take part in World Earth Day by not wasting the electricity, then saving the tap water, then by not throwing garbage here and there, not throwing the chemicals into the water. So as for my opinion, every day should be a World Earth Day. By if we follow these small steps, it will take us to a huge it will take us to a huge it will basically make us to take a huge step towards the betterment of the world. So I have made a poster, so which I will be sharing on the social media for the awareness of the on this day. So like the Earth Day celebration can bring, as per my opinion, the Earth Day celebration can bring a visible change if we choose to make the actions towards a green world. Thank you.
Environmental protection is the fundamental aim of World Earth Day. Our throwaway culture of old newspaper is leaving a massive hole in the planet's natural resources. Thus, I have tried to make use of old newspaper in making a lampshade.
Recycling of paper is important for sustainability. So, I have made a doll dress out of newspaper and other newspapers along with other decorative materials.
We recycle what we use, separate things, and you should too. Glass and paper, plastic, jeans. Go in your recycling bin. We must start now. We can't wait. Quick, or it will be too late. Hey, I am Devajyoti. I love recycling jeans because when you recycle, you keep things out of the landfills, which is better for the environment.
We all can do a little bit for our planet. Here's a few basic ideas which I've implemented through this doodle art.